guys, we're at the
Clark Air Base. What's in here?
Here are the airplanes that they used to when it was World War II.
Wow.
Those are some
The planes that they used at World War II.
Yeah, but we can't go inside them because the keys for those are the owners cannot find the keys. So later, if we go inside and we try to go outside, we cannot go.
Yeah, right.
These are the planes they used at World War II, guys. Even that one has eyes in the mouth. Was that eyes and mouth real?
What plane is that?
This is another plane, guys. From World War II.
About you.